Where you going, Becky? Becky, come on. This is Becky. She's the sweetest girl. She's a little shy though. She needs new experiences, meet new people, new dogs, everything. Don't you? Huh? She's a little bit of a nervous Nelly when she's out and about. But if she's with the one that she knows, then she's pretty good. But definitely needs to get out and about more, don't ya? Huh? Yeah, had a pretty sheltered life, didn't ya? Yeah, gotta learn it's a big world out there. So Becky, we think, is about 3 or 4, and she's had babies. Jolie is her daughter, we believe. And yeah, Becky's about 45 pounds. It's quite a short little girl, actually. Not very big at all. Come on, Bex. Becky, come on. Come on. She's a very snuggly girl. Aren't ya? And very playful. Hey? You learn how to play with all the other doggies. Aren't you, love? Mm-hmm.